I'm going to show you how to set up the professional system modern GSM03. So first open the package. You have the manual and you have all the main panel and one door sensor, one motion sensor, two remote control. All of these sensors have already registered with the panel system. How to add the system? There are a lot of motion sensor and the gap detector. I'm show you how to add it. First, you have to open the package and install the battery. Make sure the positive and the negative correct. And put the parts close each other. Then open the package, get the motion sensor, and install the battery.